Welcome back to another edition of the Cryptosaurus. We are making videos third day in a row. If you haven't, check out our latest videos and be updated. Today, Bitcoin is moving as usual sideways, and this is not Bitcoin price change today. This is monthly price change. So that means that Bitcoin is for the last whole month moving sideways. Nothing was happening even in the grand picture. In this video we're gonna take a quick glance at our crypto fear and greed index. Also, we will do another Bitcoin technical analysis, but this time on the biggest time frame, on the monthly chart of Bitcoin. If you found that interesting, stick around. This is our fear and greed index, and I want to show you this just because we are in a perfect neutral position. We are neither fearful, we are neither greedy. This is the center of our index. We are at 50. For the last week, month, we were fearful. Now we are in the middle land. We will keep eye on this index, but now let's head to the technical analysis. This is our king of cryptos, Bitcoin, on the monthly chart. This chart goes from 2013 to today. As you can see, we are in an uptrend from its beginning, and Bitcoin from this chart, you can see that we never entered a downtrend on a biggest scale of all. How can we tell? Well, pretty simple. We had a low, then we had a high. From that point, we had a higher low, and we had a higher high than the previous one. After that, what happened? Well, we have another higher low, not lower low, and in the most recent past, another higher low. So, we are in a pretty clear uptrend. Now, can you spot a channel that we are traveling in this uptrend? Take a look. I drew this channel, and it was pretty obvious to me, the validity of this channel. As you can see, our tops, our bubbles, touched the upper band of this channel. Also, our lows touched the lower band of this channel. One of the most important thing in this channel, and the thing that usually don't stand out, is the middle line that is clearly using support like in here, or mega resistance like in here. Our recent high were resisted. By recent, I mean in 2019, and that was resisted by this middle line. So please keep a close eye on this middle line, because it is very important, and maybe even more important for the next bull run than the lower and upper bands of this entire channel. How come? Well, let's make some future predictions and how this channel could play out. There you go. If we put a channel a little in the future to go to the, let's say, 2022, we can make a fair assessment where the Bitcoin price is gonna go. Now, I firmly believe that by the year 2022 we will have another peak, another bubble of our next bull run that we just recently entered. How could this play it out? What I said previously, our middle line could play a significant role. And in this projection you can see that this middle line could be our main resistance on the road to 100k. This is, for me personally, a very realistic projection and nothing extraordinary and nothing that couldn't happen, because I really expect Bitcoin to surpass 100k. This is at the beginning of 2022. So you can track this price and year and say if I was wrong. Of course, price can always be unpredicting, and we could see a much bigger price surge than this line is showing. Let's draw it to the upper band like previous 2 times, because why not? It is also possible. Boom! Now you think, my god, you are really crazy. 400k by the year 2022? Yes, it is a possibility. It is not a high possibility, but still the possibility that technicals are showing us. If you think that this is overreaction, if you think that I'm too bullish, let me know in the comments. Tell me what you think about this idea. I would like to hear your thoughts. Do you find this channel valid or invalid? For any future updates, please subscribe to the channel. And until the next video, the Cryptosaurus is roaring with you.